Hi, here's a quick demonstration of how to take care of your Roborock vacuum, and this one is also the mop, which we love. So first make sure you hold the power button down for a few seconds to make sure it's completely turned off. This is the station, rehoming station, where it'll go to charge, and this is if you just want to spot clean a room. But again, a couple seconds just to make sure it's completely turned off. The lid here opens, and this is how you get to the dust pan. You see right here, you're just gonna grab here to take it out. Just here, pull this open like that. I just emptied the dust pan, but you can rinse that out with water. There's also a filter, which you can clean, but just make sure you would dry it. To open this to get to the filter, there's a button here on the side. If that filter is not dirty, you can just take it out and just rinse this out here. You tap this as so to get the dirt out. I've already done that. Now let me show you to get to the mop. Press down here. Here's the water tank. There is this part right here. You just open to fill with tap water. Only use water, no cleaning solution, or can damage this compartment. Slide that bit back in, and now I'm going to turn it upside down so you can see other parts and the mop cloth. Okay, you may have to open this part up if hair gets stuck in there. You just pinch these two parts here to lift up this cover. This just will come out here. You can also just take off this piece and get the hair out from each side. And then you see it goes back in. That part is square. Square goes here. Put that part in first. This part goes down. We'll lock it back in. You'll hear a snap. Okay, here, if you want to replace these, you don't have to worry when it's mopping that it will go on your carpet. This thing has a rise. Anyways, it will detect if it's on carpet and it won't use the mop function. You put new ones here. We just put them in the washer and dryer. And to take this off, you just slip. Actually, first you pinch here on the side and this side at the same time. That will release this. Now that that's released, it just slid off of here. And then you just push this to get the cloth out. So these cloths can just be thrown in the washer and then the dryer, and when you're done, you see that groove right there, you just slip it back in. A clean one. Right now we have at least 7 of these things, but they all have to be washed now. Starting to clean. Go robot, thank you for cleaning my house.